就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this month we're bringing you the music of Luo Wenyu, or Wing Lo, who lost his brother to illness. And through this song, he commemorates him, also using the guitar that is left behind his brother, telling a story about how much he loves him, and telling his brother not to worry, as he will keep going on with his life. Well, let's take a listen to the song here called Ako Liu Ha Lo Ge Gita, which means the guitar left behind by my brother.
留下來的吉他，最愛嘅一首歌，愛強強來彈。阿哥啥？留下來的吉他，不管去到一日，復卡唔是掛念。用一首歌，一杯酒，一山一歌一樣。人生一陣風，一陣雨，三毛唔是假。一公風雨，總會天長。用一筆，用一畫來寫出。
罗文玉为了纪念癌逝的哥哥创作了这首《哥哥留下来的吉他》。在歌曲开头，用像是说话的语气来呼唤哥哥，娓娓道出想对他说的话：你留下的吉他，我会弹奏你最爱的歌，别挂念，我会勇敢。我们继续收听这首《阿哥留下来的吉他》。
阿哥啥？留下來的吉他。最愛嘅一首歌，愛強強來彈。阿哥啥？留下來的吉他，不管去到一日，不卡唔是掛念。
非常心酸但富有感情的歌哦。罗文玉呢，希望用这首歌鼓励着有着相同伤痛的人们呢，把对逝去亲人的思念化为心中的暖流。You know, if you can relate to the song, if you have someone in your life that passed away, hopefully this song will give you some strength. There you have it, another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.